Hi dosto, I'm Hasnain. In this video I will going to show you how to convert your old mobile setting to iPhone mobile setting. So let's begin. First up, I'll go to your Play Store, type here and type here 14 Pro Max launcher. Just right click on. So after that click on 14 Pro Max OS 16. Just right click on. After that if I going to bottom, then you can see here that's good rating and this is a good app. So click on install. Just I installed already, so just click on open. Okay, so just click on get start. Just I agree and click on while using this app and allow. So after that all is done, just click on agree, go to your setting and click 14 phone 14. Just click on phone launcher and just allow. Okay, after that all is done, so click on get start. Now your mobile is converted to your iPhone mobile. Now your mobile is able to use, so enjoy.